So to start with, just comes to your start menu and you can see OBS. You just type OBS, you just search for OBS and you can see it over here, OBS app. Okay, and once you open, this is the screen that you will be welcome with. This is the preview canvas where you can see the preview of whatever you are recording. This is the audio mixer and this is the sources. Okay, you can put sources and these are scenes. You can create scenes and you can create sources under scenes. All right, so you can use these buttons over here to increase, to add a new scene or to remove a given scene. All right, you can add and work on different scenes and you can add and remove different sources under different scenes. Okay, so you can name a scene and then you can put in sources under it. Sources could mean the different devices you are connecting. You want it to capture an image, you want it to capture your screen, you want it to add a sound effect. You can easily bring it in and add it. And you have the audio mixer where you see the level and everything. Okay, you can check to see the desktop audio, to see the mic that you've connected, how the audio is being recorded. You can keep quiet to notice the silent mode, okay, and whether it's going to the highs or to the max and how you can control it. Right down here you have scene transition and you have other bunch of controls over here, right at the bottom left. So what you have here are controls and start streaming if you want to stream live, and you start recording if you want to record. You start virtual camera if you want to start a virtual camera, and many more. And you can visit the settings and make sure you get your devices set correctly, and you can exit at any time you want. But for now, let's say we have a scene 1. Okay, we can call it scene, just leave it, and then we can add a source to that scene. So we click on this plus sign, and if you want to record your screen, what you need to add is you have to add a display capture, because this is your computer capture. It's going to capture the whole screen. So you just click to add a display and you can give it a name over here. You can make the source visible. Okay, you can give it a name, but you can just leave it as a display capture, and then you just click on OK and you can see it over here. So over here you have a bunch of other features to select, but I usually leave it as automatic. And then if you want the recording to capture your mouse cursor, you want it to capture your mouse cursor, you can leave this checked, so that once you are demonstrating or explaining your concept, it's going to capture your mouse cursor. So you can say okay, leave everything as it is, and then you can say okay. And you can see the view over here. You're free to edit if you want. All right, you can just come over here, drag and drop, and you can just try to rearrange, and you can see the view completely. It fills up everything, and you can start recording your screen accordingly. But then maybe you may need to add 1 or 2 devices as well. For example, you may need to add audio input. You can come over here and select audio input, and you can just give it a name as well, and you say okay. You can say audio input, and over here you have to specify what device. Okay, for example, I have my Rode NT USB. You can connect it, but I'm using Crisp. Okay, Crisp audio. So you can just select Crisp, and it's going to be my mic at this time, right, as the audio input. So you can click on OK to select that as your audio input, okay, or audio input capture. So once you are done, you are certain that everything is being captured within this canvas, you can just come over here and start recording immediately. So just click to start recording. So you click and it's now recording your screen, your complete screen. So you can move out and you can open something different. For example, this is my thumbnails that I'm designing for my videos. You can just open it, or you can open something else. Maybe you can open this software that I'm working on. You can just open and you can check out other things. And once you're done recording, you can always come back to OBS, and then you can come over here and say stop recording. Okay, so you click to stop recording, and you can see it has stopped the recording. So to view the recording, all you need to do is to come over to file over here, and you can say show recordings. Okay, you can click on show recordings, and it will take you to where that particular recording is. Okay, so in our own case, this is what we have just recorded. So you double click to have a preview of it, and it's now recording your screen, your complete screen. So you can move out and you can open something different. For example, this is my thumbnails that I'm designing for my videos. You can just open it, or you can open something else. Maybe you can open this software that I'm working on, right? You can just open and you can check out other things. And once you're done recording, you can always come back to your OBS, and then you can come over here and say stop recording. Okay, this is a bit on how to use OBS to record your screen very easily and very nicely. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit about how to use OBS to record to capture your screen for screen recording. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.